So here's what's going on. We bought a house. What is going on, guys? Paul James. Obviously something very serious going on. You can see the whole car is packed to the brim, but we will get to that. We're currently in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. It's rainy, 45 degrees out, but hey, it's better than Wisconsin. It was 19 degrees there, so I can't complain too much, but we got a long day ahead of us.
One eternity later.
Check that out. I see palm trees. You guys don't know how relieved I am to actually see palm trees. Like, oh, the snow has been awful this year. So here's what's going on. We bought a house in Florida, actually, so that's pretty exciting. So we're on our way down. We just arrived in Florida. That's why earlier you saw I was in Tennessee. Pretty rainy there, but anyways, weather's good here, having a good day. We're excited. It's gonna be a little late by the time we get there, probably about 8 o'clock at night. But yeah, we bought a house in Florida. We closed on it. We did a remote closing back home. So now we're going down to check out the house and get things ready. And we're gonna be using it for both vacationing, because you guys know we come down here a lot, but also we're gonna use it as a rental property. So this is a bit of an investment property for us as well, which is cool. So we're gonna be doing short-term rental with it for, you know, most of the time when we're back home. You know, we're gonna be down here probably 4 months out of the year, and then we'll be back home the rest of the time. So yeah, pretty exciting. It's our second house. I'll bring you guys along and share the process with you. So I'm sure in my upcoming vlogs and stuff like that, you'll see the whole process of us like getting it set up for rental and cool things like that. It'll be kind of interesting, so I'll bring you along on some of those things. But yeah, just in general, just the vibe down here in Florida, I just love it, especially in the winter time. Just to us feels really warm down here, obviously, because we're used to the cold weather and the snow. So we're really excited about it. Come on in. Welcome to the Florida house. So you're probably wondering what we're doing here in Florida. As you guys know, we come down here pretty much every year. In fact, I think we were just here like 4 months ago. But yeah, we were looking at properties last time we were here, and now we finally got one, so we're really excited. This is our brand new house. It's messy because we just like literally unpacked the car, threw everything in here on the floor. And yeah, we need to get the whole house set up. So what we're actually planning on doing with it is, well, obviously we're planning on living here for a lot of the time, but then a lot of the time we're gonna rent it too. So it's actually an investment property for us. It's a hot rental market, so it's gonna be making money for us. This is our second house, which is awesome. So pretty cool accomplishment. But yeah, I thought that I would share that with you guys. Because we're really excited about it. And yeah, it's a brand new house. So how this came to be, if you remember in one of my last videos, we're actually looking at investment properties. We didn't end up going with any of those, but we were looking at this community. It's a gated community, which is really cool. Like there's an actual like security guard, and like you have to like go past him to get in, which is cool. It has like a lazy river and all that awesome stuff. But we're looking at model homes of this community, and they weren't even built yet. This is like 2 years ago or a year ago. They weren't even built yet, and we came back and we looked again like just the last time we were here, and there were some that were built, some that weren't. And then we ended up seeing this one online for, you know, what we thought was a good price, a good deal. And we were able to do some negotiation a little bit and like kind of work on a deal. We actually bought this property sight unseen, like we'd never even seen the house before. But because it was a new house, you know, we felt pretty confident with, you know, what we were buying and all that stuff, and we had seen the models before. So yeah, here it is. Welcome. We're gonna be shooting a lot of videos from this place. We're gonna be out at the parks and stuff too, having fun. So yeah, it's a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath house, so pretty big house. Like I think it's almost 3,000 square feet, so that's pretty awesome. And we have a pool now, so that's cool. Let's go check that out. So yeah, this is the outside. We've got like this huge nice patio. We've got like a master suite here, which guests could come out right from their room and be at the pool. And we're gonna put like some outdoor furniture here and patio set. We've got the pool, which has like the lights inside and all screened in, so you don't have to worry about bugs and any of that. We're right across the street from the lazy river and stuff too, which is nice. We just walk right across the street for that. And hot tub and gym, all that stuff. It's awesome. All right guys, so I'm filming this outro the next morning because it was just getting kind of late. Anyways, I'm up in the loft right now in the house, and the bedrooms, most of them all connect off of here, 4 of them. And each of them have their own bathroom, which is pretty cool because it's set up for short-term rental. So each guest that stays can have their own bathroom, which is awesome. But anyways, guys, we're gonna be running around the parks, Disney World, Universal, Disney Springs. If any of you guys are in the Orlando area going on vacation and you see us running around, feel free to say hey. If you want to be featured in the vlog, we can do that. Sing my intro song, grab my attention somehow, just yell. But anyways, guys, in the next video, stay tuned. This video is just kind of an update video of where I've been. I thought you guys would be curious to kind of see what I've been up to. But in my next video, we're gonna talk about the best small business ideas to start. So make sure that you smash a like for that. Make sure that you're subscribed with notifications turned on so that you get notified when I release that video. It'll be really soon. We'll try and get back to more regular uploads as we start to get situated in the house here. And thank you guys so much. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you next time. I am Paul James. Peace out.